Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it had a ground to find error, and unfortunately it was caused by multiple issues. It started with a water pump that was causing ground error. We also found that this thing was leaking and it wasn't providing good seal, so we had to replace it as well. And the flow meter, unfortunately, we also had to replace. So after replacing all that, we have coffee. The machine is working perfectly fine, and yeah, this it up. We also had to clean the whole machine because while it was being shipped to us, some grounds, there were coffee grounds inside the machine, and that pretty much got into the whole thing basically. The whole thing was completely covered on coffee grounds, inside the panels, inside the machine. So we pretty much clean out, we blow it out with air, and yeah, we gave it a good cleaning inside. So as you can see, we don't have the ground to find error, and now we're gonna test the hot water. Nice steady stream, good temperature as well, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifico working once again. So thank you for your Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content, and thanks for watching.